Welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Program at SourceHere. Joining affiliate marketing programs is very easy. You just need to go to our platform. Create an account and select Affiliate Marketing Program from the menu. You must agree to the terms of the affiliate marketing plan before joining. Selective consent. Select Confirm so that you are enrolled in our affiliate marketing program. In the affiliate marketing plan, this feature page. This section is available to view the commission you have earned. The commission you earn can be deposited directly into your wallet account or withdrawn directly. You can also withdraw money through PayPal. We provide PayPal withdrawal channels. Enter your PayPal account. You can submit. Raise the limit. There is a minimum requirement, only when commission. Up to $100 is required. And you can use the share link here when promoting the site to your friends. Send it to your friend and ask him to sign up through this link so you can get his commission. If a commission is generated, there will be a record of the commission, which is divided into direct commission and indirect commission. The percentage they receive is different, and the record of commission withdrawals can be viewed here. Well, the affiliate marketing plan feature is as simple as that, if in use. If you have any questions, you can contact customer service and ask him to answer them for you. Okay, thanks.